Hello guys, Brian back here with another Gala update. We are coming down to a level here that I expect to see massive buying volume come in on this thing. I don't think anybody expected a drop quite like this, alright? Of course, Bitcoin has had a lot to do with it, and to be honest with you, this is not the number one reason I'm doing this video. But let's take a look at Bitcoin right here. You can see this major meltdown here this thing has had this afternoon. Well, I shouldn't say a major meltdown, but it's down 3%, okay, but it has really drugged the rest of the market down with it. You know, pull that support line up there. You can see it's run into a major area of support. Now, hopefully we don't lose that. If we do, I expect this thing will probably come down to that 25,000 area. You know, it could even come down a little bit lower into 24,000. All right, there's two levels of support right in this area, or just, you know, generally in this area between 24 to 25 2. Okay, you have major support through there. If we end up losing this, okay, if this turns into an ABC up here, which it could, okay, we got the daily RSI coming down on Bitcoin right here. Let me pull this up here, and also the weekly. We have the weekly correcting. Now that weekly is trying to bend back up. You can see right there we're getting a little bit of a bend to it, but we got that daily coming down to correct, so it could drag it down further. Only time will tell. All right, and if this was a 5-wave up, you know, you would have you can pretty clearly see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, and usually after that comes an ABC correction. All right, so we'll have to see what happens there with that. To get back to Gala, you know, obviously if Bitcoin pulls down like that, it's going to pull us down. Okay, that was Bitcoin on the weekly. This is Gala on the weekly chart. All right, and you can see the RSI on Gala for the weekly is definitely getting down there. It's part of it has reached the oversold area. The daily, we are oversold, way oversold, all zeros on the daily. All right, so definitely looking for some kind of jump here. All right, this whole area down here has been support in the past, and if we go back through here, if we put this on the weekly, all right, and zoom out on here, you know, you can see we are entering some areas, major support areas through here. Okay, we're getting down to areas that we haven't been for a long time. Okay, you have one right up there, you have another one right down through here, and then you have another one right down there. Okay, so we are coming into some major areas of support. All right, we'll just have to see if it holds them or not. What I really wanted to get to was Coinbase declines to support Gala Games version 2 token. All right, so it says here Coinbase has decided to halt Gala Games version 2 token, presuming it is an airdrop. Jason Brink, Gala Games president of blockchain, argued that is not a traditional airdrop, as the company is not trying to offer additional benefits to its token holders. Brink remains optimistic that Coinbase will reconsider its decision once Gala Games provides further clarification on its approach. So if you hold your Gala on Coinbase, guys, I would definitely look into that. Make sure you're going to get your airdrop. If you're not, you might you're going to have to move that to another address or wallet to get your snapshot. So please go over there maybe at Cryptopolitan and read this article, cryptopolitan.com, and take a look at the whole thing. Or as I'm going down through here, freeze it and read it, because it's super important. I'll go down through here, and like I said, you can freeze it and take a look at it. There we go. All right, that's the bottom, but it is at, like I said, cryptopolitan.com. You can go over there and read it. Super important. All right, this was put out May 6th, 2 days ago, so please go over there and check it out. The crypto bubbles on the hourly starting to get a bounce out of the market here. Looks like Bitcoin might have a temporary bounce coming in. Some RSIs resetting, but on the daily, kind of got clobbered out there today. Pepe got a big whooping stick knocked on it there. It's down 28.5%. Yeah, just be careful if you're in that, guys. It could have another leg up. It's very hard to tell with these meme coins. There's just no real structure to them, so they're just all led on FOMO basically. And just if you're in profits, you might want to consider taking them, all right? Because the developers of this coin are eventually going to take their money if they haven't started already, which I'm sure they have taken some profits, okay? It's just a meme coin, that's it. So don't fall in love with it. It's just an asset that you're looking to make money on, that's it. So, all right, guys, thank you so very much. Hopefully, Gala finds a bottom here pretty soon. We are getting to some areas with some oversold RSIs and looking for a bounce in this thing. All right, we have pulled back. If we put a Fibonacci on this on the weekly chart, we have pulled back. We are right at that 786. All right, so if this is a time to bounce, this, as far as a fib level, that's the last Fibonacci level we have, so we're right on it. So we'll see if we get a bounce out of here and get some upward price action. Okay, all the technicals are pointing that way, and hopefully we get it soon. So all right, thank you so much, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later.